Good afternoon, and welcome to a special edition of the Werff Report for March 17th, Keeping America Vigilant 2021. A rightful ruling. A Michigan judge has legitimized one of the main claims of President Trump regarding the 2020 election by ruling that Secretary of State Jocelyn Benson broke the law when she issued directives regarding the signature verification process of absentee ballots. The case is Janetsky v. Benson, which was brought against Michigan Secretary of State Jocelyn Benson by Robert Janetsky, who is the county clerk for Allegan County. The case surrounds the fact that Benson issued a document during the 2020 election titled Absent Voter Ballot Processing, Signature Verification, and Voter Notification Standards that directed election officials under the heading Procedures for Signature Verification to apply a mandatory presumption of validity to signatures on both absentee ballot applications and absentee ballots. And additional guidance told election officials to count the signature as valid if there were, quote, any redeeming qualities to it. According to Michigan Court of Claims Judge Christopher Murray, Benson violated the Administrative Procedures Act when she issued these directives. Benson attempted to argue in part that she had the authority to make these rules under Michigan Compiled Law 168.31, 1A, which provides that the Secretary of State shall, quote, issue instructions and promulgate rules pursuant to the Administrative Procedures Act of 1969, 1969 PA 306, MCL 24.201 to 24.328, for the conduct of elections and registrations in accordance with the laws of this state. The court rejected her argument, ruling that her directives were invalid as they did not comply with the statute based on the fact that it specifically says that the instructions and rules made by the Secretary of State must be, quote, in accordance with the laws of this state. The court found that the presumed validity of signatures or the redeeming qualities directive were not apparent in state law, nor did the state legislature require these things, and that any similar directives made by Benson should be made pursuant to the APA or done by the state legislature. Finally, a judge that actually spoke the truth and followed the law. While the case did not seek to change the outcome of the 2020 election, it focused mainly on future elections and the integrity thereof. Make no mistake, this is a huge deal, folks. The precedent set by this ruling effectively prevents the Michigan Secretary of State from issuing orders or guidance that contradict state law, which was the whole reason that the fraud in the 2020 election was able to occur in various states. As we said before, if we can just clean up a couple of these battleground states where the major fraud and irregularities occurred, we may just have a chance in 2022 and 2024. But at the same time, we also feel that the outcome of the 2020 election should find justice in order for America to be able to fully move forward and heal. That being said, the Werff Report will always fight to bring you the truth and to expose what occurred in 2020 when Democrats partnered with hostile foreign countries to devise the evil plot they carried out to oust Donald Trump as president. Until the 2020 election is rectified, we will never rest. So keep praying, folks. God has a reason for everything. Thanks for watching, America, and thanks for patiently waiting as we put the final touches on our new platform, which will be launched very soon. If you haven't done so already, support our channel by signing up early to our new platform subscription to continue getting access to all of our newest segments once we finally migrate over to the WerffReport.com. You can choose from a regular monthly subscription for $1.99 a month, our discounted subscription for the military, senior citizens, and those experiencing financial hardship for $1.36 a month, or our annual subscription by viewer request for only $15 a year. You do not need a PayPal account to subscribe. Simply click the PayPal button on the subscription page at thewerffreport.com and then click either Guest Checkout or Pay with Credit or Debit Card, whichever option shows up on your screen. We appreciate your support and we love you all. This has been a special edition of the Werff Report for March 17th. Keeping you vigilant, America 2021. God bless you all. God bless President Trump, and God bless America.